It's not the song. It's the expression. Me do I say, na me adifunu, ya me da baby, and now be kukuru me, every and ya one come in here and come. You can't sing that for them, can you? You can't sing that for them. They will have to express it, and when that is done, we call for an elderly person in the church, and then he will come and take the microphone and sum up all the expressions before the Lord. Worship, not nonsense. Worship. Does this offend you? And so you have all kinds of chaos. Yes, you can say, as on them one more Tony. The Bible said, "Wokoko pamu munefri." And can you imagine, say, "Dear, my boy would have Roma and I met this and I previous Sunday. I made pamon penny for." Can you just imagine the reportage of the news that may come out? Sa could look at some penny na wumu penny mobia ukroma. Say dear, why and so chain fian what the company for us. The papa penny for nipa your food genome near the mua dear Tiatini, what chia wunya casachere for a bear pamon penny for that Sunday. But Jesus did. What you know, sir? What be free me film Bible fee? What ya cron for a bon? You have turned it into a decafo. You've turned it into the den of thieves. What you know, sir? Me fee be yam Bible fee. A dannen conconse fee. And you buy a cancro for one some. Ubi hamon casa. And you call yourself a Christian? No, you call yourself a Christian? I want to ask a question. I didn't come here because of this lady. I came to, give me some, silence. Let me do this. I came here to work out on my salvation with fear and trembling. It is a mebana sister way. To me I will have to overcome this lady by ignoring her, by overlooking her, and by forgiving her, because she is not my focus. She is not my focus. Me babos what ding or yemi ame yeni bi ubuma ni sha me we really free the entire war.